In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi on a router. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But what you're going to want to do is first open up a browser. I'm going to use Chrome for this, but you could use whatever you like. And you could do this on either a phone, tablet, or computer. But essentially, go to your router IP. You can look on the back of your router for that IP address. In this example, I'm just going to type in a very common one of 192.168.0.1, but essentially go ahead and put this in and wait for it to load. And once it does load, go ahead and log into your router. Use the username and password printed on that router label, and if you don't know it, a lot of routers just default to admin for both the username and password, all lowercase. Once logged in, look for the wireless or Wi-Fi settings, and you should see two bands on here, 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Essentially, just turn on 5 gigahertz and select the 5 gigahertz tab or heading and turn enable on. Optionally, and I recommend just renaming the network so you can recognize it super easily to my Wi-Fi _5G. But essentially, go ahead and do that and save your changes and then hit apply. Some routers are going to auto restart. If not, you may need to manually restart it. But after it does turn back on, you should now see your new 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi network in your Wi-Fi list. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.